To use NotebookLM with a work or school Google account, start by opening NotebookLM in your browser and clicking Sign In. Then choose Continue with Google and enter your organizational email address, which is your Google Workspace account provided by your school or workplace. After entering your email, you may be redirected to your organization's login page. This is normal, as many institutions use single sign-on systems to manage access to Google services. Complete the login process using your usual credentials. Once authenticated, you may be asked to accept permissions or confirm access based on your organization's Google Workspace policies. These permissions determine how NotebookLM interacts with your Drive files and approved resources. After logging in successfully, NotebookLM will open under your Managed Account environment. From here, you can create a new notebook or open an existing one, just like with a personal account. When adding sources, you can upload files from Google Drive, Google Docs, PDFs, and other supported formats. However, keep in mind that work or school accounts may have restrictions depending on your organization's admin settings. Some files or external sources may not be accessible if they are blocked by policy. If your account has full access, you can use NotebookLM normally for summarizing documents, generating insights, asking questions, and organizing research materials. The experience is the same as a personal account, but within the boundaries set by your institution. If you encounter limitations such as disabled features, missing tools, or restricted file access, you will need to contact your Google Workspace administrator. They manage permissions, feature access, and organizational policies for tools like NotebookLM. And that's how you use NotebookLM with a work or school Google account. Sign in with your Workspace email, complete authentication, follow organization permissions, and use the tool within your institution's access rules.